Remain quiet. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, walking around, driving, eating, smoking. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
That way. This is the people versus Saeed Rabi, ticket number X 4044900, count 1, speed, freeway 25 miles per hour over coastal speed. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, good morning. Attorney AJ Donovan, Robbie, P67716.
All right, this matter was set for a formal hearing at 9 o'clock. It is now 9:45. No officer has appeared. Do you have a motion, sir?
Motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Up to your client.
Yes, Your Honor, I'll let them know.
Any in particular you want to start with, Ms.?
Your Honor, you can start with Jesus Diaz. Or, I mean, anyone's fine with me, Your Honor, whatever you have available.
And this is the people versus Jesus Diaz. Ticket number P10618444, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Mr. Diaz.
Jesus Alvarado Diaz.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Diaz is continuing his plea of not guilty, requesting a pretrial date.
All right, so we'll come back on November 28th at 8:35.
Did you say 8:35, Your Honor?
Yes, yes, sir, 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That day, Mr. Diaz?
Yes.
Okay, so you're all set, sir. 8:35 at November 28th.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, what about Nico Robinson?
Ready, Your Honor.
This is the people versus Nico Robinson, ticket number P1228930, count 1, no proof of insurance. I'm sorry, strike that, those are closed out. Ticket number P1228898, count 1, doesn't display a valid operator's license down on person, count 2, no drive unregistered or entitled. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Nico Robinson.
State your
Nico
name.
Robinson, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm going to move for dismissals of these matters that were issued by Officer Vickers. He's no longer with the police force.
All right, you stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
Matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Robinson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Stephen Rubenstein. Harold
You guys-
Davis. He's in the breakout.
Did you call Tyrone Davis, Your Honor?
Yeah, he's in the breakout.
Oh,
I mean, he's in a waiting room, rather. I can call something else. Hold on. Danielle Ross. This is the people versus Danielle Ross. Ticket number P1212697. Count 2, drive on license suspended. Ticket number P9155528. Count 1, fails to display a valid operator's license on a person. That's morning, please, for the record.
Your Honor,
Danielle,
Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Danielle Ross. Ma'am, can you put your name on the record?
Danielle Ross.
Ma'am, Mr. S, did I see your license? Did you show me your paperwork?
No,
Were you requesting, I forgot what happened. You're requesting a pretrial date today?
no, no, you, I believe you said, one of them was gonna get thrown out.
Oh, Your Honor, I believe her recommendation would be failed to display valid license.
Okay, raise your right hand, Ms. Pond. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea to marriage?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
yes,
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'd like to direct your attention to the date of August 8, 2018 at 3:58 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2013 Hyundai vehicle?
yes,
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license that was not on your person?
yes,
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining ticket to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Ms. Ross, can you have that fine paid by December 14th?
say that one more time.
There's a $200 fine. Can you have it paid by December 14th?
Yes,
Did you have any questions?
no,
Good luck to you, ma'am.
thank you.
You're welcome. This is Tyrone Davis.
Yes, ma'am.
Ticket number P1233235. Count 1, littering, rubbish, trash, or abandoned vehicle. Ticket number P1233231. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive CMV while commercial driver license suspended, revoked, denied, or canceled. Ticket number P1. One, 2, 3, 3, 1, 8, count 1, drove on license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 197098837, count 1, no license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Tyrone Davis.
Say your name, sir.
Tyrone Nathaniel Davis.
Your Honor, what is the recommendation? All those tickets were not on the docket.
All right, so for the littering, that is a 12-month delayed sentence. I'm not mistaken. And then plead guilty to the drive CMV while commercial driver license suspended, revoked, denied. That would be amended to fail to display, and then everything else is dismissed.
So Mr. Davis, if you want to admit one ticket for not showing a valid license and admit that littering ticket, the littering ticket would be a delayed sentence for a year, and then that would drop off your record if you didn't get any more violations.
Yeah, I'll do that, man.
Want to accept that, Your Honor? We're ready.
And here's the weird thing. There's 2 more civil infractions that she didn't write on here. I'm assuming they're. P12, I'm sure they're in default. P. There's P1233234, count 1 and 2. Okay, so there's two other. Wait a minute.
Is it Terry?
No, Tyrone Davis. P1233234.
Yes, the default.
See, okay. So there's two other civil infractions that are in default, but the one that she's asked, the civil infraction that she's asking for a 12-month delayed sentence, that's probably, I mean, I'm sure that's the default too.
Well, I don't know, it's a civil infraction it's a civil infraction, the littering.
Yes,
If the computer shows it, I don't know, in default, then we'll just proceed with the plea on the failed to display and dismissal of the outstanding matters.
I'm sure it's the default. But they all have the same date. P1233235.
Same day.
It's default, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in default too, so you'll just do the fail to display.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 31st, 2021 at 10:59 p.m. On the date and time, were you at or near Central and Clayton in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving a 2015 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
And was your commercial license suspended, revoked, denied, or canceled?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the facts are made, will accept the admission, will amend it to fail to display. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining misdemeanors to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine. Can you have it paid by December 14th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
You're all set.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Andrea Richardson. Ticket number P1200020, count 1, driving register untitled vehicle, count 2, improper place, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Paul, on behalf of Ms. Richardson.
Say your name, Ms. Richardson.
Andrea Richardson.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Richardson's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a pretrial date.
All right, so we'll set it for pretrial for November 28th at 8:35. Do you have any questions?
No,
You're all set, ma'am.
thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Stephen Roberson. Ticket number SP1437859, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Stephen Roberson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stephen Roberson.
Your Honor, Mr. Roberson did show me valid insurance. I am moving for dismissal of his matter.
You stipulate to probable cause.
No stipulated.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Roberson. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Karis Robinson. Ticket number X3982556. Failed. Give me 1 second.
Fail to stop and identify self at a property damage accident.
Thank you. Okay, accident failed to stop and identify property damage, accident, hit and run. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroki, behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Say your name, Ms. Robinson. You gotta unmute yourself. You're muted, ma'am. Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yes, say your name.
Karis Robinson.
Your Honor, at this time, she's continuing to plead not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Okay, Ms. Robinson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
okay,
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for December 6th at 9 o'clock.
okay,
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
okay, thanks.
This is the people versus Malik Range. Ticket number Z8064171. Count one is 1 second, sorry.
Mary, 250,
Wait, who is that?
129, 741, 775.
Mr. Range, are you with someone else?
Yeah, my child was in the room. My girlfriend's getting them out right now.
Okay,
Sorry about that.
that's okay. All right, I'm sorry, I'm trying to find what the charge is, I cannot see it.
So his charge is no license, I believe.
He has a Z ticket, that's in warrant status, it looks like. Okay, so he does have, so we're here, ticket number X2968465. Count one, no operator's license, multiple ops, and then he also has, it looks like a Z ticket that's in warrant status.
What is the recommendation, Your Honor?
Well, FTD. Let me just look this. Can you put this up?
Yeah.
Just give me 1 second.
Sorry, Your Honor.
He bled on this in 2017.
Oh, what?
Zero balance low. He was close to I don't see any other, oh. He was supposed to return drug, alcohol free, whatever, never returned, but there's no fines and stuff hold on it. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, so this has already been dealt with.
We need to close out.
All right, it looks like your probation was still open on this drunk driving case, but, we'll close it out. So the offer is, FTD.
Your Honor, he's gonna avail himself of the FTD with a failed to display recommendation.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Range. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 9, 2017 at 7:20 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near the Southfield Freeway and Joy Road in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2005 Chevrolet vehicle?
yes,
Did you not have an operator's license on your person?
no, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
Okay, the court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. We'll amend the count to fail to display and we'll proceed to sentencing. There's gonna be a $200 fine, Mr. Range. Can you have that fine paid by December 14th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
So you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
About the warrant.
Huh?
We're gonna-
Wait, hold on, Mr. Range.
Oh, yes,
this is that one step. Thank you.
Oh, the Z ticket that's in warrant status, the court is gonna set aside the warrant and we'll just close it. We'll close it. And we're just gonna close that. We're gonna set it, you had a Z ticket, looks like that's in warrant status, but we're gonna set aside the warrant. You don't owe any money, and so it looks like you've pretty much done everything that's been asked, so we're just gonna close it out.
okay, Your Honor.
You're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Did you need that ticket number? That was ticket number Z806411.
Thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Timmy Roberts. Ticket number P1230752, count 1, drive while license suspended, and count 2, defective brake lights. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Roberts.
Good morning, Timmy Roberts.
Your Honor, I did see from Mr. Roberts, he has a license dated 5/16/2026. And he has a receipt for a taillight repair that was performed on 9/22. I'm moving for dismissal of both these matters.
All right, you stipulate the proper cause.
So stipulated.
Matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Roberts. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you for dressing up. It shows that this is really important to you.
Thank you. You have a great day.
All right, this is the people versus Dominic Rand. Ticket number P1179109, count 1, failed to secure load. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Rand.
Mr. Rand, you're muted.
Good morning, Your Honor. Dominic Rand.
Your Honor, the people have offered a delayed sentence. At this time, my client's gonna accept that recommendation. He's waiving his rights.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Rand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand I'm sorry, you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 24th, 2021 at 2:08 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near East McNichols Road and Bloom Street in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2002 Chevrolet vehicle?
yes,
And did you fail to secure a load on that vehicle?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
Okay, the court's also satisfied with factual basis. We'll accept the admission, we'll proceed to sentencing. Since this is a 3-month delayed sentence, there's going to be a fine of $200, Mr. Rand. And you can't get any tickets, any citations. So essentially, no further police contact. If you do all of that, then this will be dismissed off your record when you come back, which will be February 13th.
yes, ma'am.
All right, so your next date is February 13th at 8:35. Pay the $200, no other tickets, and this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome, you have any questions?
No, so look, I have the whole 3 months to pay the 200, or I just pay it now or whenever?
You have up to that date to pay it.
Oh, okay, I have it paid.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. You're all set.
I'm all set. Yeah,
Yes,
thank you.
you're welcome. All right, this is the People versus Corrine Riffle, ticket number U3954617. Count 1, no person shall make any indecent exposure of his or her person in any public place. Morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Ms. Riffle, I'm sorry. Ms. Riffle, can you unmute?
I'm sorry about that. Good morning, Your Honor. Corinne Riffle here.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Riffle's entering a plea not guilty, so she's requesting a jury pretrial date.
Okay.
February 7th,
That's the trial.
that's the trial.
So I guess I guess the jury trial date could be February 7th, and then you want a final pretrial date.
Well, I think if she's going to need to have counsel appointed, so maybe you just need to set it for a regular jury pretrial, and then that way they can meet and talk and negotiate, hopefully.
All right, so what we'll do is we'll set it for, I guess, November 28th, which is just regular pretrial, and then she needs counsel appointed.
I believe so.
So then can you interview her? You have that form, Ms. Soroki?
I do not.
What's your?
That's something.
What's your email address, Ms. Soroki?
Sarokilaw@gmail.
So I'm sending you this form. And, can you just, have her answer the questions and then send it back to us and then we'll submit it to the appropriate place? Council can
Well-
appoint.
Is the court's email gonna be on there so she can return it directly to you?
Well, Mr. Roki, if you can just type on it while she's answering the questions and then you just.
Okay, all right, that's fine. I can do that after we're done on the docket.
Yeah, and I think we're done now. So you can just go, you guys can go back and.
I didn't realize we were done.